It's my favorite time of year, red tag sale. What does that mean for you? You get $15,000 to use your way. You can use that towards your closing costs, a free washer and dryer, stainless steel refrigerator, or even gutters. My featured home of the day is this beautiful Avery floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. It's almost 2,500 square feet. You have a beautiful tray ceiling in the foyer, in the dining room, and a double tray ceiling in the living area. You have beautiful luxury vinyl plank throughout. There's no carpet in this home. This home comes standard with a smart home package. And the Gold Fortified Certificate saves you a ton of money on your homeowner's insurance premium. With a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty, you can't go wrong. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.